Awning windows are a smart and versatile choice for homeowners who want better airflow, protection from light rain, and a clean, functional design. In New Orleans homes, where space, privacy, and weather conditions all play a role in window planning, placement is just as important as the window style itself. Knowing where awning windows work best can help you get the most comfort, light, and usability out of your home. Above doors and larger windows. One of the most effective placements for awning windows is above doors or larger fixed windows. These higher installations allow fresh air to circulate without sacrificing wall space or privacy. Because awning windows open outward from the bottom, they can remain open even during light rain, making them ideal for improving airflow in living areas. In New Orleans homes with high ceilings or open layouts, this placement helps release warm air that rises, creating a more comfortable indoor environment without cluttering the design. Bathrooms for privacy and ventilation. Bathrooms are a popular location for awning windows, especially in homes where privacy is a priority. Installed higher on the wall, awning windows allow moisture and steam to escape while keeping the interior discreet. This is particularly helpful in humid conditions, where proper ventilation supports comfort and helps reduce lingering moisture. Homeowners in New Orleans often choose awning windows for bathrooms because they balance airflow and privacy without relying solely on exhaust fans. Kitchens that need consistent airflow. Kitchens benefit greatly from well-placed awning windows. Cooking generates heat, odors, and moisture, and awning windows provide controlled ventilation without taking up valuable wall or cabinet space. Placed above sinks, counters, or work areas, they allow fresh air in while maintaining functionality. In New Orleans homes where kitchens often serve as gathering spaces, awning windows help keep the area comfortable without interrupting the layout or design flow. Basements and lower-level spaces. Awning windows are also an excellent option for basements and lower-level rooms. Their design allows ventilation while maintaining security, since they open from the top and are more difficult to access from outside. When placed near the ceiling, they help introduce natural light and airflow into spaces that might otherwise feel closed off. For New Orleans homeowners with finished lower levels or utility rooms, awning windows make these areas more comfortable and inviting. Bedrooms with limited wall space. In bedrooms where wall space is limited by furniture or layout constraints, awning windows offer a practical solution. They can be installed higher on the wall to provide ventilation without interfering with bed placement or storage. This placement also helps maintain privacy while still allowing fresh air into the room. Many New Orleans homeowners appreciate how awning windows create a comfortable sleeping environment without compromising interior design. Paired with fixed windows for visual balance. Awning windows work especially well when paired with larger fixed or picture windows. This combination allows homeowners to enjoy expansive views while still having operable windows for ventilation. The fixed window provides uninterrupted sightlines, while the awning window adds airflow control. This pairing is often used in living rooms or dining areas in New Orleans homes, creating a balanced look that blends functionality with modern style. Hallways and transitional spaces. Hallways, stairwells, and transitional spaces are often overlooked when planning window placement. Awning windows are ideal for these areas because they bring in light and air without requiring large openings. Installed higher on the wall, they brighten passageways and improve overall air circulation throughout the home. For New Orleans homes with long corridors or interior staircases, this placement helps make the home feel lighter and more open. Smart placement makes all the difference. Awning windows are highly adaptable, but their benefits depend on thoughtful placement. When installed in the right locations, they improve airflow, enhance comfort, and support privacy throughout the home. For New Orleans homeowners, choosing the best placement for awning windows ensures they work hard behind the scenes, making everyday living more comfortable while maintaining a clean, functional design.